Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I am going to show you how you can get Discord Nitro for a lifetime. And if you stick around all the way till the end, then I can guarantee that you will walk away with at least 1 month of Discord Nitro. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. And before we start, I would like to tell you about this amazing Discord application that I have found. So it goes by the name of iTranslator. And what it basically does is that it lets you translate messages on your Discord server as well as DMs. So if you have a Discord community where people communicate in multiple languages, so you can definitely make use of this bot. And as for their pricing, it has a free plan and it has a premium plan, and they offer a lot of benefits for the premium one, such as it supports a lot more languages, it is a lot more quicker, and it provides better support, and there's no limit to how much you can use this bot. So make sure to check this bot out. This is by far the best translation bot out there on Discord. You can definitely check it out. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below. And now let's jump right onto the topic. Alright, so the first way you could go about getting Discord Nitro is through Discord offers. Now they are not always available, but you can go to the Nitro tab on your Discord application and you can check if an offer is available. I'll attach a screenshot of how it looks usually. So they usually offer free Nitro for some time if you haven't had it already. So you can definitely check that out. And if you do not have a free trial available, don't worry, I've got 2 more methods for you. Alright, so the second method you could go about getting Discord Nitro is through Discord Nitro giveaways. Now there are a lot of servers that host Nitro giveaways like mine. So as you can see that we regularly host giveaways in our Discord server, and there are a very less number of entrants in the giveaways, so you definitely stand a good chance of winning. We also post proof after every single giveaway, so you can definitely check out this server if you are interested in entering giveaways. And now let me talk about the final and the most effective method for getting free Discord Nitro. So the last method to get free Discord Nitro is through Discord Orbs, because as you can see that you can get a 3-day Nitro credit which is stackable infinitely. And the way you get Orbs is through Discord Quest, and I've already posted a detailed tutorial on how you can quickly complete your Discord Quest and how you can get more Discord Quest. So if you want to learn about Discord Orbs or Discord Quests in detail, then you can definitely check out the video in the I button above. But this is by far the most effective way you can go about getting Discord Nitro, because it is stackable. So guys, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure to drop a like. Goodbye, have a nice day.